So I look back at my younger days, you come to mind. I didn't understand now how you could be so kind and then leave when I left and you never coming back. I'm looking at you now in our relationship, it's whack. I know I'm ripping on this beat like a motherfucking bomb, and then I'ma turn it into a fucking love song. You know I loved it when you were here, but now you gone, and I can't do nothing about it but mow my lawn. In the backseat I sit as I write this fucking lyrics, and I look at you and I think you're delirious, cause I know it's fucked up the way you used to fucking care. And then you coming at me, you deleted it like nair on your skin. I thought you were my girl and I was your guy, and then I'm sitting here about to motherfucking cry, because it goes through my head and I think of you, and I wonder what happened, why didn't I get a clue? I sit here looking at the screen endlessly. I know I don't understand, can you spend this week money I know I earned, but you always took it, and now I'm sitting here and the cops says book it. I know I'm in the cell because I did some fucked up shit, and now I understand, girl, you never wanna quit. Don't let me stop your pain, don't let me stop the rain. I'm here to say now I'ma smile when it's rain, and I know that shit's fucked up when you're standing alone, but girl, you were my king, I gave you all my throne, because I know the gold and the treasure I got isn't what you'll hear. You think something in me is hot, I know it's not. Can I feel the sun floating out my nose? And then I'm looking around me seeing motherfucking hoes. They coming back to my room the first day, and what? I don't understand why I put it in the butt. You know this beat never gonna stop, and I'm endlessly flowing, and I'm like, damn girl, why you always gotta going? And you know you want me to be what I never should see, because I float from the ceiling and I feel on the rooftops, and this is Wiz's song, so I gotta give him props. I know there's freestyles coming out my fucking brain, but when I look at you, I feel it fucking rain. My mind is wet and my hair is drenched in soap. I know this motherfucker girl shouldn't be a hoe, and then I come and I go.
That was sick.